history, all the subjects, except language. Okay. Okay. And for timings, huh? Evening timings? And also, your email ID is unread81@gmail.com. Correct, right? How can you schedule an interview? Can you come to our office or can you schedule online interview? Once you can take from your place only. Then I am going to so I will send you one mail to your mail ID. Okay, you should forward your resume copy, Aadhaar card xerox copy for passport size photos and a mask card xerox.
He's from Hyderabad.
Okay, you can photo click it and you can send. Mine is all the documents you will be having one test regarding maths and science for standard 5th standard. You will like NCP questions for options in the emergency circle. And there is no time limit for it, okay? Don't worry. After submitting your papers, you will be having an academic discussion with the team member through video call. Okay. So after your selection, we will be getting the results. When can you take the online? When can you take the test? Have you called the tutor, Amar? The office, it's in Indranagar. Yeah, test and interaction of your video.
Hello.
Hello.
If you send your documents today, tomorrow
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Am I audible?
Yeah, now it's audible. Yeah. So yesterday I think some problem was there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like you have shown interest in teaching mathematics. I think up to 12th standard.
You can take one day
Yes.
and you can submit it.
Okay, so up to 12th standard mathematics. Any other subject like physics, chemistry?
No, class 9, 10th physics. Up to
Okay,
class
la-
9.
okay. Up to 12th it's mathematics, and up to 9th and 10th it's mathematics and science both.
Mathematics specified specifically physics and chemistry.
Okay, physics and chemistry, right? And apart from that, any other subject?
Up to class 8 all subjects.
Okay, up to class 8 middle school, all subjects. And do you have any teaching experience?
I taught class 11 students during my BSc.
Okay, so class 11th and 12th standard student you have taught. And the board, which board students? Like CBSE, ICSE, state syllabus?
It's CBSE ICSE because I'm outside of, I'm from Odisha, so I don't know the local language there.
Okay. So you have taught for CBSE. So you are comfortable with CBSE and ICSE syllabus?
Yes.
Okay. So how was the test that you have taken?
Yeah, you have my scores. You can check.
All these questions. Here one question was there, no? Like if sine 50 degree is equal to 0.766,
Yes.
then to find the value of secant 40 degree. So how will you explain this to a student? Because this type of question comes like without using the calculator.
Okay. First of all, we have something we know. Sine pi by 2 minus theta is equals to cos theta. So we are given sine 50, so we can get cos 50 from there, cos 40, and we need sec 40, and sec 40 is equals to 1 upon cos 40. So that's how we got.
Yeah, that's the value. Questions on calculus were there, relations and functions. Okay, in relations and functions, can you tell me like what's the difference between a relation and a function?
Okay, first of all, a function needs a domain and a range
Hmm.
where uh, the functions should take function must be defined on the all point of the domain, and
Okay.
in a
Hmm.
relation you just need, it's not necessary, you can define just relation between two sets.
Can you give an example? Okay, so I'll just tell you two statements.
Mhm.
One statement is every relation is a function. The second statement is every function is a relation.
So second one is correct, every function is a relation.
Every function is a relation. And what about every relation is a function?
No, it's not necessary.
It's not necessary. What is the condition that, how will you check? Suppose if a relation is given, and how will you check whether it's a function or not?
First of
Hello?
I am sorry.
Hmm.
What-
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. We'll move on to the
No,
next. Huh. Did you get the question?
I so,
Can you be a bit louder? I'm not able to hear again.
okay. Now is it
Hmm.
audible?
Yeah, now it is audible.
Yes.
Mhm.
So suppose we are given the set A and B. We want to define the relation between
Hmm.
set A and B. So
Hmm.
it's not necessary the relation should be defined between all the points. And here one more thing is that relation means a single point in the domain can take simultaneously two value in the range. But in case of
Hmm.
function, it's not possible.
It's not. Okay. Yeah, questions on relation functions, matrices, double derivative, inverse was there, orthogonally, and all. Complex numbers, cool. Yeah, suppose one question is there, right? We have two curves, right?
Yes.
Say one given by y1 and the other given by y2. Say we can take two parabolas. One is opening upwards, one is opening downwards, and
Hmm.
we want to find the the area between these two curves.
Can we pick,
What will be the procedure?
can you read me the problem once more?
The problem is two curves are there,
Hmm.
right? One is say we are representing it by y1.
Hmm.
The other one is being represented by y2,
Hmm.
such that these two curves are intersecting at 2 points because both are parabola,
Hmm.
and we want to find the area between these two curves.
Hmm.
What will be the general procedure that we use using the calculus? Obviously.
So first of all, we have to find the intersect point by
Hmm.
uh,
See, we can just find for the class, but what about the like demo? What about the classes? Like you are available only on
we
weekends or
have to
weekdays also?
find the intersecting points. Then we have
Hmm.
to integrate
Yeah.
curve one, parabola one, and
Hmm.
parabola two. Then subtract according to the figure.
Yes.
Okay, then subtract the two and
We want
okay.
the 3 days, one
And
and a half
this
class. But the
sets
weekdays
and
they want.
relation probability they have something.
Yeah.
What's a conditional probability like? We generally write now p, then bracket a, and then that vertical line b. What's the meaning of that statement
You go and give your rest of the demo and then
in
P
discuss.
bracket.
probability?
Uh,
So
oh,
P, and
yes.
then within the bracket A, vertical line and B.
Conditional probability is we probability of A that uh,
No, still your voice is now again breaking.
hello. Is it clear?
Yeah, now it's clear. Now it's clear.
So that means
Customer time and we will take that.
now we are
Hmm. No, I didn't hear anything. Again, some problem. You have to keep the mic
Oh,
near to you only.
so
Then only, yeah. Yeah,
okay.
now I can see. Hmm.
Is it audible now?
Yeah, now it is audible.
Hmm. That means the event B has happened, and we are interested in finding event the probability of event A given B has happened.
B has happened. What formula we use for that?
Sorry, I don't remember.
Okay, no problem. Then coming to ninth and 10th also mathematics, they have geometry and all these things are there. Uh, Quadratic equations, trigonometry is there. Suppose if we have a plane, horizontal plane, right? Horizontal plane. On a horizontal plane, a vertical pole is there,
Mm-hmm.
right? And at any point of time, the height of the pole is same as the length of the shadow.
Okay.
So at that point of time, what will be the angle of elevation of the sun?
Um, it's 45, 45. So
Do you have any paper
can
with you? You can draw the figure and then check.
can you
The question is on a horizontal plane,
yes.
on a horizontal ground, there is a vertical pole such that at any point of time, the length of the shadow is same as the height of the tower or the
Okay.
pole.
Okay.
At that point of time, what will be the angle of elevation?
Elevation of sun.
Elevation of sun.
It's 45 degree.
45 degree, but how will you explain this to a student? Why it is 45, why not 60 or 30 or some other angle?
See, so when we are taking angle of elevation,
Hello.
audible,
Now it's audible.
the length of shadow is length of pole. So the triangle
Length
will,
of shadow.
yeah.
Hmm.
So the triangle, right angle triangle will be getting will be the angles are will be 45, 90.
Okay,
So
because it's an isosceles triangle. Or if we don't want to use the concept of isosceles triangle, we just want to use the concept of this trigonometry.
mhm.
Then how
So
will you explain?
this tan we are will be getting tan theta equals to, so
Okay, so tan theta is equal to the ratio of the two equal sides.
mhm,
These things, then apart from this, in ninth and 10th, they have the geometry.
mhm,
In geometry, the triangles is there. In triangle, the congruency and the similarity. I think in ninth, they have the congruency, and in 10th, it's a similarity.
mhm.
Similarity of the triangles. Can you tell me the difference between the congruency and the similarity?
In congruency, the triangles need to be same. Like
Hmm.
same triangles are
Okay.
different places. I mean, it's like you have a type one and two in x-axis two in and a triangle in type D. But in similar triangle, you have to not necessarily
Hmm.
be same, but their ratios are same.
Okay, so in case of similarity, that triangles are not necessarily equal, same. Then statistics, probability, all these topics are there in 10th. Suppose we have an event, say E, and if I write the probability of an event P of E is equal to 0, what's the meaning of the statement?
That means it's an impossible event.
it's an impossible event, right? And apart from that, they have in geometry the circles and all those things are there. Um, in a circle, suppose if a tangent is drawn, right? And from the point of contact, a line is drawn joining the center of the circle. Correct?
Yeah.
A tangent is there. A tangent is there, and point where the tangent is touching the circle. From that point, a line is drawn. Line segment is drawn up to the center of the circle. What
Mhm.
will be the relation between these two lines?
They'll be perpendicular.
Will be
Perpendicular, 90 degree.
90 degrees, will be perpendicular. So these type of things they'll be having. And will you be comfortable in teaching? Okay, you have told like eighth standard, like middle school also you'll be comfortable in teaching mathematics and science
Mhm.
and other subjects like all social studies and all.
Actually, it, I need studies. I have forgotten many things. I have to prepare for those things.
Okay,
Like
so
I don't
basically,
remember the events of history and geography.
okay, okay. So basically, what is like for lower standards like middle school, mathematics and science, and obviously for ninth and 10th also mathematics, physics, and chemistry,
Mhm.
right?
Yes,
And for 12th, yes, for 12th, it will be mathematics only, right?
yes, yes.
Yeah. And okay, so I'll make a note of all this. And what next? Yeah, I think you might be aware that here it's will not be in some institute or something where you'll be going and teaching the students. It's about the home tuitions where you'll be going to the students' place and teaching the students. Are you comfortable with that?
Yes.
Okay, so that's all. We'll conclude over here. And I think who has called? Nick called me. So she'll just let you know about what next procedure and what and all you have to do, or like how you'll be getting the students. Okay. So thank
Okay.
you.
Nice. Uh,
Anytime you can take one. There is no timing.